Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
Cheese!
Cheese. 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 Cheese.
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a short, cheesy little unboxing video to share with you guys. I'm sure that these are all over the place right now, right? I mean, other content creators, everybody's got some weird cheese joke in the thumbnail, and they do something weird at the beginning, right? All these content creators get the same knives at the same time. Yeah, it's almost like they contact us all at the same time, you know, when they make something new, and we go, oh yeah, sure, we'll share that with our audience. Nothing gets by you guys. Anyways, oh my gosh, what is this? We got some cheesy stuff from Vosteed, the cheese theme. I don't know why. I don't know, but it's kind of neat. I can't really put a finger on why. Oh, cheese theme. That makes sense. Why? I don't know. I can't explain it, but it does. It's neat. Thanks so much to Vosteed for making knives with a cheese theme and sending them in for me to take a look at. Yes, I will, of course, give these away. I'll probably a good idea to make some short form content with this, right? There's more. I mean, you know, we gotta squeeze every drop out of the cheese stuff here. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. 2 knives that are cheese themed with no explanation or context, which is exactly the right way to do that. The Vosteed Corgi Pup Cheese Pirates 14C28N Stonewash blade. The reason that it's okay, right? And we were gonna have one grumpy guy who's like, "No, pocket knives are supposed to be serious. Serious cheese is something you eat privately, not out in public." Privately, in the pantry, all sweaty, and, you know, maybe you weep a little bit because it's 2:30 in the morning, you're eating a whole wheel of gorgonzola. There's going to be some weird guy that's, like, got some emotional issues with cheese and how they shouldn't be, you know, part of a pocket knife theme. But the reason that it's okay, if that's you, seek help. Oh, my God. But the reason it's okay for Vosteed is because Vosteed makes extremely good pocket knives. So whatever theme they want to do, and for whatever reason, right, without explanation, that's my favorite way. Don't tell us or explain it. Just do it, right? Because people will talk about it. People like me will scream about it, make weird videos with weird intros. But yeah, like that's the best way to do it. And that's the fun way to do it, right? And plus, every other theme has been explored. So be weird, right? Go ahead and do it, because otherwise the knife world becomes uninteresting. If we just go back to, I mean, God, can you imagine the knife world just like, well, we're going back to the Ontario Rat, the Buck 110, and the Opinel. Oh my God. I mean, I'll just collect stamps at that point. Holy God, what a nightmare. Anyways, we have this. Is this a wet? Oh, it's just like I thought it was a wet wipe. I was like, why is this in here? Oh, cheese stuff. Hold on. Oh, there's something here. Why have you made this inaccessible? I feel like I'm gonna break this. Oh, it comes out. Okay. All right, sorry. I panicked a little bit there. I thought I wasn't gonna get the cheese. Is this a book? Okay. This cheese, you can put your name in it. Oh, let's read this. Okay. Raccoon and porcupine are best friends. Like the knives. That's great. They love slow walks in the forest. Okay. I get it. One day, Raccoon finds a huge piece of cheese. He can't wait to share it. He tries to cut the cheese. The knife slips from his paws. Oh my God. Are you serious? This is gripping. What happened? Porcupine looks at the cheese and smiles. I have an idea. They make a handle with cheesy holes. The big cheese is cut at last. Raccoon and porcupine sit together. They smile and enjoy every bite. This, oh my God, 10 out of 10. The story makes perfect sense. It's amazing. This is how now we know the origin story of the cheese. Oh my God. I should be hired to do audiobooks. I don't know what, like, screw Jim Dale. They should have hired me to read Harry Potter. Way better. I mean, nobody will be falling asleep to Harry Potter anymore. Absolutely not. Not with me reading it. 10 out of 10, best book I ever read. Awesome. Okay, cheese. We got a cheese patch. We got a cheese, we got the cheese, microfiber cloth. Oh my God. I know I'm like cracking jokes and being ridiculous here, but this is actually awesome. Why? Everybody, I mean, unless you're lactose intolerant, everybody I know loves cheese. My kids, my God, if I put a container, just like a few days ago, I went to the store and I bought a thing of sliced provolone, which is cheese that we just, that provolone slices, you get in the fridge and you just eat a slice. Like you're not really doing anything with it. It's just like you eat it, right? I stuffed it way in the back of the cheese drawer. And one day I find it smashed. It's all crumpled up and it's smashed and all the cheese is gone. My kids went in there and just ate it, just like rabid beasts. Anyways, we have the Vankerlock, which is specific. I assume that's a Vankerlock. I mean, yeah, I guess. Vankerlock by Vosteed. Cheese theme. Love the 3 different shades here. We have orange aluminum. Then we have yellow G10 with some holes. Really thin there so you can see underneath with the shadow boxed double layer here. The orange underneath. Absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh. What a fun little thing. What a fun little cheese knife. That's great. And it's a Vosteed. So the price will be good. And it's in 14C28N. So I'm sure they do a good job with that. Now, what other cheese knife? Yes! Why didn't you send me a raccoon and a porcupine? The book is a bit, the corgi. The book is about the raccoon and the porcupine. I want the full experience here. I'm just kidding. I'm sure that they'll have the theme for the other. I'm sure they'll have more than one like cheese knife. I'll try to get this out quickly because these are the types of things, that. God dang it! This box! I'm trying not to ruin it. But anyways, these are the types of things that, like, if I release the video too late and the stuff is already sold out or nearly sold out, then everybody blames me after my video goes up. Like, even when it's already sold out, everybody blames me for selling it out. And people don't even realize, like, people even go down in the comments and they're like, it was sold out before he even did the video. And then those people just, like, don't say anything. No. You acknowledge that you were wrong. You acknowledge that it wasn't my fault. Don't leave your comment there and slink away like a little rat. Anyways, I'm keeping this. I'm sorry. I have to. This is the best. This is the best. I'll give this away. I'm keeping the cheese porcupine. This is so cool. Oh, man. I love the idea of this making it into videos in the future with no context and people coming to my channel for the first time and saying, that knife looks like cheese. And then I just don't explain it. I love that. I think that's wonderful. The porcupine is, if you guys watched my my most recent top 15 greatest budget knives of all time, the porcupine is the #1 budget knife. It is absolutely 100% a knife that everybody should experience. It is my absolute favorite budget knife. It is the best budget knife that exists, and it is absolutely worth the money. Buying a version of it that is cheese themed for no other reason than having the greatest budget knife of all time with a cheese theme is a valid reason to buy this. You don't need, like, I'm not even going to give you like a proper sales pitch. It's just cheese themed. It's a great idea. I say keep up the weird food stuff. I think that's funny. Nobody, it's an obscure thing, but it's also kind of like, how has no one really done this yet? Perfect job on the G10 with the holes and everything. Perfect job with the coloring. I love that you guys like went nuts and made everything cheese themed. That's just bizarre. I wasn't expecting the storybook, but very immersive experience there. Absolutely wonderful. 10 out of 10. I'll link this down in the description. You guys can check it out. I've already reviewed the models, so no reason to review the models. Hope you guys enjoyed this. That's going to be it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. Where's my Where did the thing go? The cards go. There it is. Follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.